Hey, I'm Pranshu Agrawal, Elite Sales Expert, social media marketing agency owner. I'm here to help you out. Yes, I'm here to help you out in this scenario. You all want to grow on social media. You really want to nail the journey. You really want to dominate to become the most successful person in your industry, but you are not able to get it because out of 100% people who started their journey, they quit within 3 to 4 months because of lack of guidance, because of lacking of support. The rest 10% out of 20% quit within a year because they are not getting results, because they are not following right strategies, and rest 10% succeed in that journey because they know how to work on, they are getting guidance from a right mentor. In your life, while you are pursuing any journey, you need a mentor whom you can trust on, whom you are getting guidance to work on your journey to overcome the obstacles. So I will be your mentor, and what I really want from you, I really want you to dominate in the industry, because most of the people are just want to successful but they don't want to dominate. When you are working in any industry, most of the people are snatching their businesses, they're snatching their prospects because they are more and more competition. But if you eradicate the competition and dominate the market by becoming expert, so whatever the queries your prospect have, they will reach out to you, not to your competitors. If you dominate the market and eradicate the competition, then definitely whatever the business you are doing, you put 90x more business to yourself. So if you really want to dominate your market, then this is for you. I am currently selling two services. First one is Elite Domination Community. For Elite Domination Community, I will be giving you free conference calls with the experts in your industry. No matter what your industry is, clothing, social media, whatever the industry you are working on. After that, I will support you personally. I will be solving out your queries. And the last one is 10x Elite Domination. This is my premium service in which I will be helping you out how to dominate your industry, how to become elite sales expert. And I have 4 programs for you in that particular package, which is 10x Elite Domination. First one is I will start working on your mindset, because when you are working on your journey, you need to prepare yourself to overcome the obstacles. And trust me, this mindset program will be everlasting for you. Second thing is I will be helping you out to become a sales expert, because when you are doing any business and you are not getting any sales, then you are not going to make huge money, or you are not going to sustain your business. So you need to learn sales, and I will help you to become the expert in sales. Third one is I will help you out in personal branding, because we know in the current era, if you have a personal brand, you can create any business, you can whatever you want to do, you can do easily if you have a personal brand. So I will help you out how to grow your personal brand up to a next level within 3 to 4 months, and practically within a 1 year you will be an expert in your market. And this guidance is from the top mentors from all over the world. I'm sharing with you. And the last one is especially for the Instagram and YouTube. I will be helping you out to understand the features and what are the things you need to optimize in your profile, and how do you need to work on Instagram plus YouTube, so you can nail your journey, because you need a social media platform to showcase yourself, to showcase your product or services apart from your websites, right? Currently this is for Instagram, but in upcoming 6 to 8 months I will be sharing this thing for YouTube, to understand like what is the pricing of that 10x Elite Domination, and what type of impact you can create, what type of transformation you get, and how you can be proud on yourself plus become the role model of your family using that 10x Elite Domination service. Just ping me, I will be sharing the details, and I will have a call with you.